Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter, leadership coach guiding others to create a career that they love. And today I want to talk about how do you see the world? Are you seeing the world through a lens of negativity and issues and conflicts, or are you seeing the world through a lens of opportunity and positivity? Now, it makes sense if you go through your daily life and you are looking for opportunities, looking for connections, looking for a new job, looking for an entrepreneurial idea, and believe at the same time that those are out there and that it's possible, that more things will pop up for you. There are studies that show that individuals find more money on the ground. They end up meeting more people that lead them to positions and other relationships or long-lasting relationships if you go through life with this positive mindset. Now, if you're going through life with a negative mindset, that makes sense that you will see issues, you will see conflicts, you will probably create more conflicts, you will have more of an inner critic, you will have less of a sense of joy for each and every second of the day. That makes sense. How are you intentionally living, not just towards your goals, but just towards a more fulfilling life? So I challenge all of you this week, if you catch yourself coming up with an issue, coming up with something that you want to complain about, how can you reframe that? How can you create a little bit more positivity in your life? And maybe reframe it for opportunity. How can something become a chance for you? Because when you start seeing the world as filled with chances, you start applying for jobs that are a little bit past your skill level. You start talking to someone that you might not feel that you deserve to talk to. You will end up potentially changing your life. So go out there, everyone. Be positive, be joyful, find opportunities, and most importantly, keep on living for yourself.